A menacing and off-putting front design is gone from the Chevrolet Silverado HD for 2024. And we're thankful for that, but the heavy-duty truck's updates go much deeper than simply refreshed styling. The 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD now has more competitive tech. That starts with infotainment updates from an available 13.4-inch touchscreen, standard on most trims, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. A new center stack design completely reimagines the button layout, and there's room for an available wireless phone charger and up to 10 cup holders. Also, the transparent trailer technology rolled out on previous Chevy and GMC models can now work with gooseneck and fifth-wheel trailers. Cameras stitch together an image of what's behind you as though your trailer weren't there. The blind spot monitoring feature now works even when the updated Silverado 2500 HD is towing a trailer. If all you're seeing in that previous section are dollar signs, know that most of these improvements apply to the 2024 Silverado 2500 HD LT, LTZ, and High Country trims. The work truck WT version won't look or feel quite the same, and its lower price should reflect that. Where the current Silverado HD situates its headlights beneath brow-like running lamps and bifurcates the two lighting elements with a big grille spear, the new one remarries those lights as one. A long, bent LED accent light lengthens the truck's lights vertically while framing the grille, but the primary lighting is now located where you'd expect. Up high, near the edge of the hood. Chevy's designers have stuffed faux intakes beneath each headlight, but overall the front-end design is way cleaner than before. It doesn't appear as though much of the rest of the exterior received any attention, though the taillight internals look new, and there are some fresh wheel designs. Adaptive cruise control is, for the first time, available on the HDs. It's an option on top of the standard forward collision warning, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and a following distance indicator. The adaptive cruise function even works with a trailer hooked up, and will account for the trailer's extra weight and aerodynamic drag when maintaining speed or slowing for traffic ahead. GM's transparent trailer tech, where cameras stitch together a rearview as though your trailer were invisible, now is compatible with gooseneck and fifth-wheel trailers. The blind spot monitoring function also is optimized to work even with a trailer hooked up. There's more to the 2024 Silverado HD lineup than new tech, however. The 6.6-liter gas V8 drops its 6-speed automatic transmission for the Allison 10-speed automatic that's on the diesel. That allows the Silverado HD's gross combined weight rating to climb from 24,000 to 26,000 pounds. And, about that 6.6-liter turbodiesel V8, it now makes more power and torque. The engine is good for 470 horsepower, 25 horsepower more than before, and 975 pound-feet, 65 pound-feet more, upping towing capacity on the 2500 HD to 22,500 pounds. In addition to the 2024 Silverado HD's WT, Lieutenant LTZ, and High Country trims, two new ones join the lineup. First is a Midnight Edition model with black accents, as well as an off-road oriented ZR2 trim.